After wasting almost 5 working days of Parliament, the government and the opposition are preparing to fight it out on the issue of FDI and retail. After the inconclusive meeting between Parliament Affairs Minister Kamal Nath and leaders of opposition yesterday, the government is prepared for whatever the presiding officers of the two houses in Parliament decide. With the BJP sticking to its guns and the UPA confident of numbers, will the FDI logjam finally end today? Let's take a look.
The stage is set for a face-off between government and the opposition on FDI and retail in Parliament.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी एफडीआई रिटेल सेक्टर में 184 पे डिबेट हो, इससे कम पर हम राजी नहीं हैं.
This comes after Parliamentary Affairs Minister's meeting with leader of the opposition Sushma Swaraj ended inconclusively.
Sources confirm that discussion on FDI under Rule 184, which entails voting, will take place early next week now.
With the DMK already on its side, the Congress is preparing for a debate under the voting rule.
फैसला लगभग हो ही गया है. हम लोग वोटिंग से घबराते नहीं हैं. वोट होगा.
But whether they will be voting is going to be decided by the presiding officers of the two houses.
The BJP's parliamentary strategy is to wait for what ruling the chair in both houses of parliament will give as far as the reference made by the government on Rule 184 is concerned. If they do allow for the debate or give an assurance of a date when the debate can be held, then they would stop stalling proceedings.
But if it comes to voting, the left and Trinamool will also take on the government.
There cannot be any question of supporting FDI in retail under any circumstance. But our final decision will be taken after the Speaker announces her decision on having the discussion under what rule.
Irrespective of who will vote with us, who will not vote with us, there is an issue on which the CPIM cannot compromise. So we will take up this issue on our own.
Winter session's precious time has already been lost in the disruptions over FDI. And now, if a debate with or without voting can end the impasse, the government is ready for it. With Nandata and Madhav in New Delhi, Sneha Jaswal for Times Now.